Hey guys, Oldmansneaks here. Welcome to another close-up and on-feet sneaker review. Let's have a close look at the Nike Dunk Multi-Camo. I love the asymmetric design of these. The shoes feature multiple camo patterns with splashes of vibrant colors. I was a little bit skeptical on how easy it would be to wear these, but because it's mainly light tones and splashes of orange, it's not really hard to wear. I think it's a really fun pair of sneakers. There's a lot of room to play around with using different socks and lacings. And the color hits on this is not too attention grabbing, but interesting enough. Material wise, nothing of high quality here, but it's not bad either. Just standard. The toe box and side panels are made of canvas material in sail color, while the mixed camo patterns are mainly on the toe strap and the heel wrap. Overall, it's a great pair of dunks. I think people are sleeping on these at the moment, or maybe it hasn't caught up yet because of the different release dates across different regions. I know that some sneakerheads are already dunked out for the year with the amount of releases that we've had, but I would definitely suggest going for these. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram.